In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Instapage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to choose the right approach, and how to customize a clean, conversion-friendly page without touching a single line of code. First, log into your Instapage account and head straight to the Landing Pages section. This is your central hub. You'll see any pages you've already created listed here, along with a clear button to create a new one. That's where we're going next. Click Create Page, and Instapage will give you three paths. You can start from scratch with a blank canvas, you can pick from Instapage's pre-made templates, or if you already have an Instapage file, you can upload that page. If you want full creative control, a blank page is great. If you'd like a head start with proven design patterns, templates are your friend. Many of them are conversion optimized, meaning they're set up to help you get more signups, leads, or sales based on common goals. And if you're migrating something you've used before, uploading a page can save time. Once you're inside the builder, everything is drag and drop. Click to add or edit headlines and text, swap images, place buttons, and drop in forms. Keep your main headline clear and benefit-driven. Use supporting text to explain the offer, and choose visuals that reinforce your message. For your call to action button, use concise, action-oriented copy, and make sure it stands out with contrasting color. If you're adding a form, include only the fields you genuinely need. Shorter forms typically convert better. As you build, remember that a large portion of your visitors will be on mobile. Instapage supports responsive and mobile layouts, so switch to the mobile view and fine-tune spacing, font sizes, and stacked elements to keep everything readable and fast loading. A clean, scannable layout with generous spacing tends to work best on small screens. You can enhance your page with elements that support your objective, a short explainer video to boost engagement, a testimonial section for credibility, or simple icon blocks to communicate features quickly. Keep things focused. Your landing page should guide visitors to one clear action without unnecessary distractions. Throughout your edit, preview your page to see exactly what visitors will experience before you publish. This helps catch layout issues, typos, or confusing sections. And make it a habit to save regularly as you work so you never lose changes. That's it. You've created and refined a landing page in Instapage using the tools designed for clarity, speed, and conversion.